Hello to you, my dear subscribers. I'd love to, I'm a wee bit sad because, as you know, YouTube can be bloody irritating sometimes. My dear YouTubers and my dear subscribers, YouTube can be bloody irritating. You know what I mean? It's just, I don't know, maybe that week is pure bad. I don't know what's wrong with that week. I've no idea, troops. I've no idea. I just recorded that my video for you twice and it didn't work. You know what I mean? That bloody YouTube found out as a... I have to record it once again. So up to 3 times I have to record it for you once again. So do you know what I mean, troops? That's here he is, Glasgow Genuine and the Celtic FC daft. Here is I'm used with my hoops. We use my hoops, and that as I promised that my next video will be on a Wednesday. I was supposed to record it on a Tuesday, but on a Tuesday Celtic just lost a game with Dortmund, so I was pure sad. But I was supposed to, I recorded my video on a Wednesday. I was supposed to post it on the on my channel Glasgow My Love on a Thursday, but it didn't work as well because of bloody irritating YouTube. Filmed it as a copyright, you know what I mean? And then again, I recorded for you a video that my video yesterday just to post it on the today. YouTube did it again. Seriously, troops. I don't get it. I don't get that YouTube, seriously. It's just sometimes it's bloody irritating. Plus, this week may be pure bad because of Celtic's lost a game. I don't know. So here I am, Glasgow Genuine we use, and the, Celtic FC daft. And the, I want to apologize. I want to say sorry for you, my dear subscribers, and especially I want to say sorry and send you my apologies, my dear subscribers and Celtic fans, especially my dear subscribers. That my next video, Legends of Celtic FC, legendary Celtic FC players, plus last Celtic FC matches with Borussia Dortmund and St. Johnstone. So last Celtic FC matches, Borussia Dortmund and St. Johnstone. My views, commentary and reports will be with you tomorrow. So troops. I'd love to see. Seriously, sorry, but fucking glitches happened. So to be more precise, I want to say sorry this week, troops and my dear subscribers, but my next video, legendary Celtic players, Legends of Celtic, and last Celtic FC matches. So it's with Borussia Dortmund and St. Johnstone. My reviews, commentary, reporting that. Plus, surprise, my poem in the end will be with you tomorrow. So stay tuned. Once again, sorry, my dear subscribers and plus Celtic fans. Sorry, but hope you just hope you forgive me. But I was sorry. Just bloody irritating week. I don't know how that is, and YouTube as well. It makes me raging sometimes. But as I tell you, my dear subscribers, my next video will be with tomorrow. So Good night. För Glasgow Genuine and Celtic FC. Daf. Mwah.